Hello students, Sairam. Welcome to our online session. So after your exam, you're ready? Yes. So today I'm going to teach English. Okay. Let's start with the game. I hope you all are ready. The game rule is I'm going to show you some pictures and you have to identify the season. Okay, and we will talk about it. Ready all of you? Here it comes. This picture. What this picture mean? Just think which season it is. Which season? Yes, your favorite, rainy season. All of you love rainy season? Yes, you also call it as monsoon. Okay, rainy season. What do? You play in rainy season outside? Good. You like to play in rainy season, no? When rain comes, you go out. But for protect from rain, what you use? You use raincoats. You take umbrellas, colorful umbrellas. Yes. So in rainy season, you do this all things. Yes. Very nice, no? All over greenery. It looks so beautiful. Now, next picture is, oh, so bright it looks. What you can see over here? Just think. Sun is bright, sun shines so bright. All you can see brightness everywhere. And which season it is? Just think. It's a summer season, hottest season among others. Okay, other season, this is the hottest season, summer season. Here you can see the sun shines so bright. Yes, all over brightness. Yes, students. And what you would like to do in summer season? You like to eat ice creams. Yes, you like to eat ice creams. Even I also love to eat ice cream, huh? You eat ice creams, and what does you do? You play in water park. Sports activity. Yes, you do some sports activity. You play in the water park. Yes, so this all things you do in summer season. Okay. Now, ready? All of you ready? Next picture is, oh, I can see all over snow, ice. Wow. Which season it is? Just guess. Which season it is? Winter. Your favorite. Winter season. In winter season, see this winter season, I hope all of you know this. In India, you are aware like there are 3 seasons: summer, rainy and winter. But out of India, now abroad side, you can see winter season is they are enjoying a lot. There you can see lots of snowfalls and snow sports activities are there. Even one festival is coming in winter season. Which festival? Just think. Yes, Christmas. Christmas comes in winter season. Okay, and see, so beautiful it looks. Yes, very nice. It's in winter season. How do you feel, hot or cold? You feel cold. Exactly. It looks so beautiful. See, on trees, it's you can see over there in this picture, so nice snows all over the trees, so beautiful. Yes, see the corner left hand side, you can see bottom side, left hand side. Who is this looking at you? It's a snowman. Yes, so enjoyed by looking the picture? Very good. Now let's go to the next picture. Here, next picture, what it is? Oh wow, colorful butterflies, flowers. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Yes, so which season it is? Just think. Here, this is a spring. You call it a spring season. Okay. Here, you can see flowers. Here, colorful flowers, blossoms, and you will get a fruit, ripe fruits. Okay, but it's very nice while looking This scenery is, yes students, colorful butterfly. See why butterfly is happy? Because the flowers blossoming. See, so in this season you can see these all things. And in out of India there are 4 seasons. There are 4 seasons: summer, winter, autumn, spring. Okay. Now next picture I am going to show. Oh, only one bird. Who is this one bird? Sitting alone, standing alone. Just see. One more bird, similar bird. One more bird. Oh, so many birds are there. Why these birds are coming over here? Just think. Here is your surprise. So today I am going to teach you poem number 8, The Robin. Who is this Robin? It's a boy's name? No. No student. This Robin name is this bird. The bird name is Robin. The bird's name is Robin. Okay. So today I am going to teach you the poem number 8, The Robin. Okay. Ready all of you? Here it comes. This is your first stanza. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks, thanks for summer. He sang with all his might. Okay. So this stanza explains you like this poet is saying about the robin. Who is this robin? Robin is a bird. Okay. The bird sings sweetly. In which season? In summer season. The sun is bright. It's very bright. It shines very brightly. And it's a hottest season. But this robin loves this season. So it continues singing song. Thanks, thanks for summer. So he's showing his gratitude and saying thanks for which season? For summer season. He sang with all his might. Students, please note in your book. Might means strength. Might means strength. Okay. So here, this robin sings very sweetly and with full of energy, putting full strength, singing this song. Okay. So Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks, thanks for summer. He sang with all his might. Okay. So he's enjoying by this summer shine. The sun shines so brightly. All over brightness. Is happy. See, this bird is happy and singing so sweetly. Okay. Now let's go to the next stanza. Here, Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone. Let all give praise. So, what this Robin says? Robin in this autumn days, autumn season, the robin sang sweetly. It sang so sweetly, but do you know what happened in autumn days? All leaves falls. See, leaves are falling. This robin is saying during autumn days the leaves are falling, but then also we are getting fruits. Yes, it's so surprising. Leaves are falling all over. See, there are fruits for everyone. Let all give praise. Let all we appreciate. And give praise means be thankful and worship. Be thankful and worship. Okay. So the robin says, sang sweetly. Who sang? Robin. Robin says, I am going to sing so nicely. See, so sweet I am going to sing. Let the leaves fall, but we are getting fruits. We are happy. We are getting fruits. No problem. We have to be happy always. This robin is saying, this robin is giving us a message. Okay. And let all give praise. See what this robin is saying. Even if the leaves are falling, but we are getting fruits. At least small little animals See how they are enjoying by eating the fruits. Okay. Now next stanza. In the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. So what this Robin is saying, in the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. Any season has changed, then also I am happy and I am continuously singing this song. This little bird, do you know what this little bird is giving us a message? It's very nice message. It's giving us a message like, in our life, any difficulty come, we should always keep smiling. We should continue with our hard work and we should do our best how we can. Okay, put all efforts and do your best. Always keep smiling. If any problems come, we have to face it and be happy always. See how this Robin is giving us a small little message to us. So small bird, little bird, and giving us a message. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. This Robin is saying, if the season has changed, I don't think I should stop singing. I will continuously singing the song. Okay. And if I will not sing, so somebody should sing. Somebody must sing. This is said by Robin. Or winter will seem long. See, anyway the winter is too long. So people get bored. So I am going to sing continuously. Okay. So wintry. Students, please note. Wintry means cold and dry like winter. Wintry means cold and dry like winter. You know, in winter season what you do? You wear woolen clothes. See, this Robin do not need any clothes. He is facing any season. He is facing any situation. Yes, he is happy always by singing the song. Now let's go to the next stanza. Oh, here is your stanza. When the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter. It will always go. So what this stanza explains, the Robin is saying, even though the season has changed, I am not going to stop singing. Yes, see what this little bird is giving us a message that bad days will go and good days will come. Yes, beautiful days are going to come. See how the season is automatically changing. So same way our days surely going to change. All days are not the same. Yes, some days you feel bored, some days you feel happy, some days you feel sad. But always realize every situation you have to handle and be happy always. Okay, keep on singing through the winter. It will always go. So likewise, what this Robin is saying, likewise the season goes on changing. So your days can also change. Okay, keep on smiling and do your best. Okay, bad days is there, so good days always come. If there is a problem, there's a solution. Okay. So when the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter, it will always go. Okay, students, I hope all of you understand. Let's do it again. Just recite this poem again. Okay. So title of the poem is The Robin. Title of the poem is The Robin. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks for summer, he sang with all his might. Okay, Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks for summer, he sang with all his might. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone, let all give praise. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone, let all give praise. In the cold and wintry weather, still here is song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. In the cold and wintry weather, still here is song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. When the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter, it will always go. When the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter, it will always go. Okay, students? Now, let's go to few question answers. Here is a rhyming words. Give rhyming words for bright, might. Where you will get this bright and might? Let's see. Here in your first stanza, Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Second line, last word. Thanks for summer, he sang with all his might. See, I will show you. Here is a bright and last line, last word. Fourth line, last word. Bright, might. Okay, students, understood? B-R-I-G-H-T, bright, might, M-I-G-H-T, might. Okay. Next one, days, praise. Where you will get this rhyming words? Let's see. Here is your second stanza. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone. Let all give praise. So here days, praise. Okay. Sound similar? Yes. Second line, last word, and last line, fourth line, last word. Now your third is, next one is song long. Song long. Let's see. See, the third stanza. In the cold and wintry weather, still here is song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. So here it comes song, S-O-N-G, song, L-O-N-G, long. Okay. Now next one, fourth one is so go. Fourth one is so go. Let's see. When the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter, it will always go. So here you can see so go. Okay. I hope you all of you understood this poem with the rhyming verse. Yes, students. Now let's go to the question answers. Answer the following questions. Okay, first question is here. Why should we be thankful for getting food? Why should we be thankful for getting food? Just think. Here is the answer. We should be thankful for getting food, as some people don't get food. It's so bad. Yes, we should be thankful for getting food, as some people don't get food. So students, do not waste your food. Okay, and eat healthy food. There are so many people, poor people, they are not getting proper food. Okay, so whatever your mama is making, you just have it. Okay, so thankful to the God you are getting at least this food. Okay, do not waste food. Okay, students. Again, I am repeating this question. Why should we be thankful for getting food? Answer is, we should be thankful for getting food, as some people don't get food. Okay. I hope you all of you understood. Yes. Do practice at home. Writing practice. Okay. You can write this question answers in your book, in your 1-number book, okay, CI book. Okay, students. Now next question. Question number 2. What do you do when you are sad? Do you think you will feel happy if you sang a song? If you sang a song, do you feel happy? This question is asked. Yes, you definitely are going to feel happy. Answer is C. When we are sad, we should sing a song like Robin. Huh? Yes, I would feel happy if I sing a song. Okay. What do you do when you are sad? Do you think you feel happy if you sang a song? Answer is when we are sad, we should sing a song. Yes. The answer is yes, I would feel happy if I sing a song. Okay, students? So when you feel bored or sad, just sing a song. This Robin poem. Okay. Now, next question is question number 3. What does a robin teach you? What does the robin teach you? The robin teaches us to be happy in all situations. Exactly. As you see, the poem is very tiny poem, and this poem, this about the robin. This robin also so small and cute bird is giving us so nice message. Robin teaches us to be happy in all situations. So your question is, what does a robin teach you? Answer, the robin teaches us to be happy in all situations. Okay, students, I hope all of you understood this poem with question answers. Okay? Okay then. Thank you. Have a nice day. Do practice at home. Study well. Be safe.